Welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am bringing to you a brand new Black-owned skincare line. Keep on watching. So this is Everyday Skin Co. I will link the information in the description box, so make sure you check it out. I do have a discount code that I'm going to put on the screen as well as in the description box. This brand was founded by one of my amazing content creator sisters, and I definitely had to support. So I'm starting off today with the Sunny Days Super Fruit Cleanser, which is 100% vegan and cruelty free. The best thing about these products is that they don't have a smell, which some people might like, some people might not like. I do have sensitive skin, so I do prefer fragrance-free skincare, and this gave me just that. Absolutely love this cleanser. I did do a double cleanse, and the way it lathered and left my skin feeling clean and soft, absolutely loved it. Next, I'm going in with the Tone for the Day Hydra Balance Toner, which is also 100% vegan and cruelty free. This toner also works great as a skin refresher after exercising or traveling. Next up, I'm going in with the Golden Hour Face Serum, which is also 100% vegan and cruelty free. And can you see the jasmine flowers and rosemary leaves in the bottle? Love it. And last but not least, I'm going in with the Daylight Dew Cream, which is very nice, creamy, and moisturizing. This skincare line is definitely a 10 out of 10, highly recommend. Make sure you check the description box because all the information along with my discount code will be in the description box. Thanks so much for watching this video. Hope you've enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.